The Opportunity Pavilion is one of Expo's main 3 thematic pavilions, and it speaks to how can we unlock the potential of individuals and communities through a small step. We got inspired by the Sustainable Development Goals, which are a set of 17 goals that the UN has put in place with its member states to create a better world for everyone in 2030. And really, we wanted to bring the experience to life to our visitors and to incorporate it into their daily lives by saying, you can make a change no matter how small that change is. And that's why we created 3 tracks of water, food, and energy, because they represent the basic needs of human beings, without which people cannot think or reach to opportunity. So we brought 3 people from different communities. We had Mariam Al-Janebi from the UAE. She represents the food track. She's a sustainable organic farmer. She teaches people how to farm even if they have a small space. We have Abel Cruz from Peru representing the water track, and he provided access to water to his community through the use of fog nets. And we have Fatma Juma Haji representing the energy track from Zanzibar, and she learned how to become a solar engineer to provide access to electricity to her community. And what we wanted to say is these are 3 people who are part of our communities, and they've done a small change. They did not need a lot of resources, and they're not very famous. And because of that, you can create a change as well. We wanted to bring the stories that we had created to life to our visitors, and we did that through the use of technology. And we use technology as a tool rather than as a thing in and out of itself. We used Christie laser projectors throughout the pavilion to create that experience, from learning about the stories of the guides and the community members, in addition to the gaming portion element of the pavilion, and as well as in the Garden of the Pledges. The Garden of the Pledges is a very special place because as you're walking in between clouds and you're looking up on the garden, the scenery changes. So you could walk in into daytime, walk out at nighttime, and the season changes as well while you're there. So with the help of the AV and the projectors, we were able to create that whole atmosphere and that whole scene. Visitors have informed us that the pavilion has inspired them to do a change in their life, and it has given them hope. We have had more than 450,000 people pledge to do something different, and as well, through our surveys, 90% of people have pledged to actually create a change in their lives.